Let's be honest. We've all been there, sitting at home, scrolling through our phones, and suddenly, we're bombarded with jaw-dropping kitchen makeovers that look straight out of a magazine. Most kitchen makeovers you see online look absolutely amazing. But let's face it, they're not always realistic for everyday people with busy lives and tight budgets. You scroll past endless photos of shiny new counters, flawless tiles, and those massive kitchen islands that seem to belong in celebrity mansions, not regular homes. But then you see the price tags? Oof! Suddenly, that dream kitchen feels a million miles away. Most of us don't have a spare 10 grand, or more, just lying around for a brand new kitchen. For many, even a few thousand is a stretch. And let's not forget the mess. All that dust, noise, and weeks without a working oven, it's enough to make anyone think twice. Who wants to live in a construction zone, eating takeout every night? The truth is, a lot of those stunning kitchen renovations you see online are done by professionals. Big teams with years of experience, access to the best materials, and, of course, huge budgets. There's nothing wrong with that if you can afford it. If you've got the cash and the time, go for it. But for most of us, we just want a kitchen that feels fresh, happy, and welcoming, without breaking the bank or our backs in the process. We're after quick wins, simple upgrades that make a big difference, not months of chaos and endless bills. And if you rent, or you're saving every penny, tearing out cabinets or knocking down walls just isn't an option. You need solutions that work for your situation. Even if you own your home, you might not want to commit to a full-scale renovation. Maybe you're short on time, or maybe you just don't want the hassle. There's always more mess, more stress, and those sneaky extra costs that seem to pop up out of nowhere. So, let's stop feeling bad when our kitchens don't look like those glossy Instagram posts. Social media is great for inspiration, but it's not always the whole truth. A lovely, stylish kitchen is absolutely possible without a rip-out renovation. You can create a space you love, no matter your budget or living situation. All you need is a few clever upgrades, a bit of creativity, and some know-how. With the right ideas, your kitchen can feel brand new, without the stress or the sky-high price tag. Here's the good news. You don't need a huge budget or a full renovation to transform your kitchen into a space you love. Even if your kitchen feels outdated or a bit tired, there are plenty of creative ways to refresh it without breaking the bank. You can give your kitchen a glow-up with just a few simple tweaks and clever updates. Sometimes, the smallest changes make the biggest impact. No builders, no dust sheets, and definitely no scary bills to worry about. You can skip the stress and mess of a major remodel. It's all about working with what you've already got and making the most of your space. Embrace the quirks and character of your kitchen. Style it up, make it feel new, and do it your way. Your kitchen should reflect your personality and taste, not just the latest trends. Think about things you can change in a weekend. For example, paint those tired cabinets a fresh color. A new coat of paint can completely transform the look and feel of your kitchen. Swap out the old handles for something shiny and new. Hardware is like jewelry for your cabinets. Small, but it makes a statement. Pop up a peel and stick backsplash for instant style. It's easy to install, affordable, and comes in so many designs to suit your taste. Add a bit of greenery with potted plants or hang a fun print on the wall. These little touches bring life and color into your kitchen. Remember, small changes can add up to a big difference. Layering a few updates together can make your kitchen feel brand new. Don't forget, it's your kitchen. Make it a place where you and your family love to spend time, whether you're cooking, eating, or just hanging out. Add bits that make you smile every time you walk in. Personal touches are what make a house feel like a home. A bowl of lemons, a bright tea towel, or your best mugs on display can add a pop of color and personality without costing much. It's not about spending loads of money. It's about being creative and resourceful with what you have and what you can find on a budget. It's about loving your space and making it work for you. Warm lighting and cozy touches can make your kitchen feel inviting and comfortable. Remember, this isn't about perfection. It's about creating a space that feels relaxed, lived in, and uniquely yours. Focus on making your kitchen feel fresh, tidy, and like you. Organize your shelves, clear the clutter, and let your style shine through. So if you fancy a change, know that you can do it on a shoestring. With a little creativity and effort, your dream kitchen is closer than you think. Changing your cabinet handles is one of the quickest and most satisfying ways to update your kitchen without breaking the bank or taking on a huge project. It's simple, affordable, and you don't need any special skills. Just a bit of time and a willingness to try something new. You'd honestly be shocked at how much difference this little swap can make. It's like giving your kitchen a mini makeover in under a day. Start by having a look at your old handles. Are they a bit scratched, faded, or just plain boring? Maybe they're dated and don't match your style anymore. You can find new ones online or at the shops for just a few quid each, so it's a budget-friendly upgrade that won't leave your wallet empty. Go for classic metal for a timeless look, fun colors to add a pop of personality, or even quirky shapes if you fancy something unique. There are so many options to suit every taste and kitchen style. All you need is a screwdriver. No fancy tools or complicated instructions required. Simply take off the old handles by unscrewing them. It's a quick job, and you might even find it a bit therapeutic. Pop on the new ones, making sure they're lined up nicely and feel secure in your hand. Make sure the screws fit the holes you've got, or fill and drill new ones if needed. It's a small extra step, but it ensures everything looks neat and professional. It only takes a couple of hours for the whole kitchen, even if you've got lots of cupboards and drawers to update. Once they're on, stand back and admire your handiwork. You'll be amazed at how much brighter and more modern your kitchen feels. Suddenly, your cupboards look modern and fresh, as if you've had a full renovation, without the mess or the cost. It's a small job that packs a punch, giving you a real sense of accomplishment and a kitchen you'll love spending time in. Tiles can make a kitchen feel really posh, but fitting real tiles is messy, expensive, and not easy if you rent. The answer? Peel and stick backsplash panels. They're a game changer. You can get these in loads of styles: subway tiles, marble look, bright patterns. Pick whatever matches your taste. They cost a fraction of real tiles and go on over your walls or even old tiles. All you do is measure up, clean the area, and cut the panels to size. Peel off the backing, stick them on, and smooth down with your hand or a cloth. No grout, no mess. If you get bored of the look, they peel off again. This is a job you can do in a morning, and it will completely change the vibe of your kitchen. Guests will think you've had a new splashback fitted. Only you'll know the secret. Open shelves look great in kitchens, but they can feel tricky to get right. The key is to mix useful things with a bit of pretty. You don't need to buy anything fancy, just show off your nicest bits. Start by clearing off clutter. Only keep out what you use most, like mugs, plates, and bowls. Add a couple of plants or a favorite cookbook. Stack things in neat piles, and use baskets or jars for odds and ends. Try to keep colors and shapes together, so it looks tidy. If you've got matching mugs or plates, group them. If not, mix and match for a cozy look. Pop a framed print or a candle in the corner for a bit of personality. Remember, shelves are for living. Don't stress if they aren't perfect. Swap things about until you like what you see. Lighting makes a huge difference in any kitchen, but you don't need a fancy electrician to add some sparkle. There are loads of cheap, easy ways to brighten up your space. Start by swapping out old bulbs for warm white LED ones. They're brighter and save on bills. Next, try stick-on LED strips under cabinets. You can get battery ones for just a few pounds. They're perfect for lighting up dark corners. If you fancy a bigger change, look for second-hand pendant lights or lamps at charity shops. Sometimes all you need is a new lampshade. A pretty shade can add color and style for hardly any money. Don't forget, even fairy lights can look magical. Pop a string along a shelf or across the window. It's a simple way to make your kitchen feel cozy. Ready to get started? Here's how to tackle each project, one at a time. First, plan what you want to change. Take a good look at your kitchen. Which bits make you sigh? That's where to begin. Next, set a little budget for each job: handles, paint, lights, so you don't overspend. For hardware, measure your existing holes before you buy. For peel and stick backsplash, always clean the surface really well so they stick tight. When painting cabinets, take off doors and handles, sand lightly, and use a good primer. 2 coats of paint will look best. Style your shelves last, so you can see how the whole room feels. Move things about until you love it. And remember, take your time. One job at a time, no rush. When you finish your kitchen glow-up, don't expect it to look like a showroom. This is real life, not a TV set. But you will notice a huge change. The space will feel brighter, cleaner, and more you. Your cabinets will look smart with new handles or fresh paint. The peel and stick backsplash will make the sink area look special. Open shelves will show off your style. Even on a grey morning, good lighting will make everything feel warm. You might notice you enjoy cooking more, or even just making a cuppa. Friends and family will spot the difference, and you'll feel dead proud of what you've done. Best of all, you've done it yourself, on a budget. That's something to celebrate. Don't let those big budget makeovers put you off. A stylish kitchen is for everyone, no matter your budget or skill. You don't need fancy tools or loads of cash. Just a bit of time, some clever ideas, and a splash of effort. Remember, it's about loving your space, not about being perfect. Every little change adds up. Whether it's new handles, a painted cupboard, or a string of fairy lights, you're making your kitchen your own. If you get stuck, ask a mate or watch a quick tutorial online. There's loads of help out there and you'll learn as you go. Don't be afraid to give it a try. So go on, pick one thing to change this week. You'll be amazed how much better your kitchen can feel. You've got this.